What I wish I knew at the start of the season, Franco Colapinto is joining Williams F1. In a surprise move, Williams Racing has replaced Logan Sargent with rookie Franco Colapinto for the rest of the 2024 season. Colapinto, a rising star from the Williams Racing Driver Academy, will make his F1 debut at the Italian Grand Prix. He'll drive alongside Alex Albon, sporting car number 43. Team principal James Vowles said the decision aims to maximize points in the tight midfield battle. This switch not only highlights Williams' commitment to young talent, but also marks Colapinto as the first Argentine driver in F1 in over 2 decades. Colapinto is thrilled, calling this opportunity a dream come true. Despite the mid-season challenges, he's ready to hit the track and make his mark. This unexpected shake-up has the F1 world buzzing as we head into the final stretch of the season. Stay tuned because things are about to get even more exciting. The decision to bring in Colapinto was not taken lightly. Williams Racing has been closely monitoring his progress and believes he has the potential to bring fresh energy to the team. Colapinto has been working tirelessly in the simulator and during testing sessions to ensure he is fully prepared for the challenges ahead in May. Fans from Argentina and around the world are eagerly anticipating his debut, hoping to see him make a significant impact on the track. The Williams Racing pit crew is also gearing up for the change, ensuring that every pit stop is executed flawlessly to support Colapinto's performance. Colapinto has been focusing on his physical fitness and mental preparation, understanding the demands of competing at the highest level of motorsport. As the Italian Grand Prix approaches, all eyes will be on Colapinto as he takes his place on the starting grid, ready to prove himself among the best drivers in the world. The excitement is palpable, and the anticipation is building. Will Colapinto rise to the occasion and deliver a stellar performance? Only time will tell, but one thing is certain. The 2024 F1 season just got a lot more interesting with this bold move by Williams Racing. Stay tuned for more updates and watch as Franco Colapinto embarks on this thrilling journey in Formula One.